CutbotCAD Arange.dxf as piece file. Here is a DXF file, and we try to make it as for the piece DXF file. And here we can see the lines is segment. They is not not complete circle. So I had to make the lines become a circle lines. And here is a fill function. If I click the fill function, you can see here the circle line, it will be fill, and these segment lines it's not closed, so it cannot be fill. And on the other hand, here is the rectangle, that is also closed lines, so it will fill and we cannot see the inner. So here I will suggest to select this circle and to delete it. Then you can see the inner parts. And now I want to make it, and so the first make the lines to become a closed curve. So here I will click editor, and here is a cut, and I will cut these two lines, and you will see here it's a small parts I don't need, so I click delete. When I close the lines, here I will select these two lines, and you will trim or cut into two pieces for each line. And here same, I will select them and I delete these two. Delete. So I select these two lines and I push the delete button, then you will be delete. I select these two and then you will cut into different lines. So after I finish it, I click the right button to finish the function, and then I click select these outlines. After I select these outlines, and I can string it become 1. And here the red one we will define as a pen line, so we have better to change it. So I select it and change it to become the 4 or 0, and I select as a 0. That means it is outline. And then or I can select it as a 4, then it's cut line. And here I disable the fill, and we can see the inner parts. And this is a punch line, so I had to select it become punch line, become circle. So I had to select it, and to make it from the pen line to red line as a blue line. And here the line I don't need it, so I click outside to unselect it. Then I close it. I can delete it. Then I will select the red line, and I can rectangle select by this way. When I select the rectangle, then it is red. It can be selected. Okay. Then after I select it, then I select it as 4, the letter 4. So here it will change as the blue one, and I select this one. So I can trace out to write as a DSF. So I click File and save it. Or save. And here I will select its name is vamp, and I use dash light to separate the piece name and size, and its size is 46. Then I select save, then it will be saved. And here I will make another example. Here this is a pen line, so I will to make it into the piece line. Same, I click the edit page, the cut. So I use the cut function, and I delete these two. I select these two lines, and I click delete button to delete the small lines. I click these two lines and click these two lines to delete the small lines. Click, sorry, and I delete it. Yes, I did it all, and I click the right button to finish the function, and now I click the outline, the segment parts, segment lines. Okay, I select all, and I click a string to make it become one, and here is in the it's line 4, and therefore now it's a cut line, and here I will select this red line. Make sure it is, if I want to become a pen to write, so I use pen to draw it. I will select it and make it as the number 1, and finally I select the outline. That is all we want to save as a DSF file. So I click File and save. It's quarter, QUARTER, is a piece name and a dash, and I input 43 as the size, and I click save. Then it works. And there is another way to see if I have saved it. I click the file, then you will see it's file, and I do not click the file, then it won't be file. I can see the file lines is I have already arranged, and these lines I do not arrange. For this rectangle, I had better to delete it, then I can see inside clear.